In order to get people to buy from you, they need to know who you are. They need to know that you exist, what you're about, why you sell what you sell. That's what's known as a personal brand. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a framework for coming up with your personal brand, how to use AI to do it literally in a matter of minutes, and then how to keep refining it using AI until you get it just right. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Rick Mulready, and for the past 11 years, I've run a multi-7-figure online business, and today I teach online businesses how to leverage AI so that you can streamline your business and increase profitability in the process, and I do this over in my community called the AI Playbook community, which I'll link to in the description below. So there's 6 steps in my personal branding framework, and the first step is all about getting clear on what problem you solve for people. So as you can see here on the screen, I've written a prompt chain for you that I like to call the skills to solution matrix. And this is what's going to help you determine what problem or problems you solve for people. And in order to figure that out, what you're going to see here is a prompt chain that I have created for you. It is 5 prompts. And what this means essentially is you're going to use the output from prompt number 1 as input for prompt number 2. And then you're just going to repeat that until you get to the last prompt. So the output for prompt number 2 into as the input in prompt number 3, and so on. So in the first prompt here, what we're gonna be doing here is we're gonna be leveraging AI to get clarity on your skills, experience, and expertise. Now, it doesn't really matter, honestly. I think that ChatGPT would be totally fine for this. You could also use Claude or Gemini for this if you want to. I would probably use ChatGPT for this. In the second prompt, we're going to be looking at leveraging the output from prompt number 1 to come up with a list of potential problems that you can be solving for people. Then in prompt number 3, we're going to be looking at prioritizing those problems that it came up with and identifying patterns between the problems. Then we're going to be looking at your values. And then in the final prompt, the final step in this prompt chain here, we're going to use AI to come up with a concise, well-defined problem statement. So it's super clear what problem you solve for people. For the second step in our personal branding framework, we've got to get clear on your core values, because your values are what's going to dictate all your decisions moving forward in the business and how you position yourself. So I call this my values finder prompt, and I've given it the role of a world-class life coach specializing in values clarification. And the task of this prompt here, as you can see, is to guide you through uncovering and prioritizing your top 5 core values, both personally and professionally. And it's going to be asking you different types of questions. So it's going to be an interactive conversation with the AI. And by the end of this interaction with the AI through this prompt, it's going to summarize and prioritize for you your top 5 core values. Because again, these core values are what's going to be your filter moving forward and how you make decisions and how you show up online, etc. The third step of our personal branding framework is going to be leveraging market research. So I've written a prompt that is all about being a market research expert, so it can create your ideal persona, your ideal target audience persona. You already know what exact problem that you solve. You know what your values are for going forward. Now it's time to do market research and come up with our ideal customer profile. So for this prompt, as I mentioned, the role that I've given it is a market research expert specializing in identifying ideal client avatars for online entrepreneurs. You can put whatever niche that you want into that. And I say, I'm building a personal brand, so I'm giving it some context here. I'm building a personal brand in your niche. Your task is to guide me through an interactive conversation to define my ideal client avatar. So this prompt is designed to ask you a series of questions, go back and forth with you until you get to a very clear ideal customer persona that you will then use in the next step in our personal branding framework. This next step in our personal branding framework is all about creating your USP. So most people think about with personal branding, they think about your unique value proposition or unique sales proposition. Well, this is all about what can people expect from you when they follow you? How are you different from everybody else out there? How do you do things differently or better than anyone else? I'm also going to share a prompt with you to help you define your quote, contrarian truth. Basically, what widely accepted belief in your industry or in your niche do you challenge? This is all about, as my buddy Pat Flynn likes to say, building a rallying cry or a mission statement that your audience can align with. So this is a prompt chain. It's actually 5 different prompts here, as you can see, that I like to use to come up with your USP or your unique value proposition. And again, just like the previous prompt chains that we've talked about in this video here, the output from prompt number 1 is going to be used as the input of prompt number 2, and so on. So the first one is pretty much your foundational information gathering prompt. You can see here, I'm working on defining my unique selling proposition as an online entrepreneur. You can put whatever niche that you're in or whatever you do as a business owner. Before we brainstorm specific USPs, I need to provide you with some foundational information. And just like the previous prompts I'm giving you, this is an interactive prompt where the AI is going to ask you a series of questions one at a time to help it get clarity, to be able to help you come up with that great USP. Then in the second prompt of our prompt chain, we're going to use the output of that first prompt. And this is where the AI is actually going to start brainstorming some USP options for you. It's going to give you multiple options. Then in this third prompt, it's going to take those options and help you refine and select the USP option that most resonates with you, the one that you like the best. Then in the fourth prompt, this is optional, but I do recommend using this one. We're going to put that USP that you've just chosen to a stress test. And we're going to do that through this prompt right here. And then finally, in the fifth prompt of our prompt chain, you don't have to do this, but I always like to do this just to get different ideas. This prompt, as you can see here, it's 3 sentences long. This is going to give you potential alternative phrasing of the USP that you've chosen. So 5 prompts, each building off of each other. And by the end of this prompt chain, you're going to have a super clear USP that you're really happy with for your personal brand. In this next step here, I'm calling it the half step. So this is step 4.5. And this is where the AI is going to help you find your contrarian truth, or as I mentioned before, your rallying cry. And so as you can see here, I'm working on defining my brand's positioning, and I want to identify a contrarian truth and a rallying cry or a mission statement. And so we give background here, we give the AI some instructions to follow, then we give it example formatting of the output that we're looking for. This prompt right here is really going to help you. This is a 2-part prompt. You could break this up into 2 separate prompts, but I wanted to do it in one prompt here. And so in the first part, we're developing the contrarian truth. The second part, we're creating our rallying cry or our mission statement for our personal brand. And then for the output, as you can see here, for the contrarian truth, you're going to get the common belief, and then the response that the AI model is giving you, your disagreement, your alternative truth, and then the benefit to your ideal customers, and then the evidence to your contrarian belief. Now, for the rallying cry options, it's going to give you 5 different options here with an analysis of each option. So you're going to walk away from this prompt here with clarity on what your contrarian truth is, and also 5 options to choose from for a mission statement for your personal brand or a rallying cry, if you will. For the 5th step in our 6-step personal branding framework, this is where we want to develop our signature framework or methodology. Again, this is going to be part of your USP and part of what, actually a big part of what's going to separate you from everybody else out there, because this is going to be unique to you. Similar to other steps in our framework here, this is another prompt chain. This is 6 steps in our prompt chain. And again, just to reiterate, we're using the result of the first prompt as input for the second prompt, the output from prompt number 2 in prompt number 3, and so on. With this prompt here, it's taking the information that you've gotten from the previous steps here in our framework and bring it all together to help you create that signature framework or methodology. And just like other prompts that we've talked about already, this is going to be a very interactive prompt where it's going to be asking you questions and you're going to be going back and forth with it. And by the time you finish this prompt, the output is going to be a clear understanding that the AI is going to have of all the core elements of a potential signature framework. Then in the second prompt here, we're going to take the output that is just given you there from prompt number 1, put it into prompt number 2, and this is where it's actually going to create the structure of your signature framework. And then in the third prompt in our prompt chain here, this is where it's going to help you come up with compelling and memorable names. It's going to give you 15 different potential signature framework names. And as you can see here, this prompt here is giving criteria to the AI from which to come up with those ideas for you. So by the end of this prompt here, the output that you're gonna have is 15 different signature framework ideas for names, along with brief explanations of the name's strengths and weaknesses for you to choose from. And then in step number 4 here, this is where you're gonna give feedback on those 15 different names, and the AI is going to help you refine and choose the signature framework that you're going to use as part of your personal brand. And then in the final prompt of our prompt chain here, it's going to help you come up with that signature framework one-liner, if you will. So as you can see here, using the description from prompt number 5, distill the framework's essence into a single compelling sentence, a one-liner, This sentence should be extremely concise and memorable, capturing the core value proposition. When you follow those 6 steps there, coming up with a signature framework, you're gonna have a fully fleshed out signature framework that has a fully researched name, a client-facing worthy description of the framework, and also a one-liner describing your exact value proposition with your signature framework. And for the final step in our personal branding framework, it's all about clarity and consistency in messaging. Those things are crucial to your personal brand. So in this final step, we're going to create a content calendar and figure out what platform or platforms that your content needs to show up on to attract the target audience that we've identified in an earlier step here in our framework. So as you can see, it's another prompt chain here, 4 different prompts where we're using the output from the previous prompt as the input of the next prompt. So prompt number 1, this is where we're going to be defining our calendar parameters. So we're giving it context right off the bat. I'm creating a content calendar for my personal brand. Before we generate specific content ideas, I need to define some key parameters, okay? Then it's going to take you through, ask you questions again, and the output of this is clear parameters for the content calendar going forward. Because in the next prompt, we're going to be coming up with content ideas and recommended platforms where you should be showing up to attract your ideal audience. And as you can see here, this prompt is going to generate 10 to 15 content ideas for one content pillar that you have chosen. So it's going to come up with 10 to 15 content ideas, and along with those ideas, it will recommend the best platform or platforms for that specific content. And then as you can see here, the output is going to be either a table or a bulleted list. You can specify whatever you want. And before you move on to prompt number 3, what I would do is I would just keep repeating that prompt for each of your content pillars if you have more than one. And as you can see here, I'd repeat prompt number 2 through each of your content pillars. I would recommend having a few different content pillars. So don't move on to prompt number 3 until you've worked through prompt number 2 with each of your content pillars. Then in the third prompt in our prompt chain, this is where it's going to create a draft content calendar for you when whatever time frame that you want. So for example, the month of October, and it's going to deliver that draft content calendar to you in a table with columns that's super easy to follow. And then finally, you're going to take that table from the previous step, put it into prompt number 4 here, and you're going to be able to review the calendar, what it's put together, go back and forth with it, fine tune whatever you need to about the information so that you have a ready to use content calendar that's based on highlighting your personal brand and all the work that you've done here throughout these previous steps. So just remember, when it comes to personal branding, be authentic, stay authentic. People connect with real, honest branding and real, honest people. Below in the description, I link to my school community, the community for online businesses looking to leverage AI. And I'll also link up my Notion database here with all the prompts that I've just shared with you here today if you want to go download those. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.